Hello, my name is Celine.
I'm Brandon, and this is our presentation over human environmental impacts in Corpus Christi. So, what I'll talk about first is the coastal rates of erosion. Lots of this is caused by damaging storm waves. They hit the Gulf Coast, and a lot of this is tried to be prevented by seawalls, but this is actually makes sea waves more powerful and damage more property due to the wave energies connecting together.
So how could this impact people and their belongings? Erosion damages beachfront properties due to the environmental changes of the climate. Erosion affects various different economic sectors other than residential properties too. GPS navigation of waters causes troubles with shipping and tourism. Marine life has also been impacted by erosion because it's caused an increase in pollution and has clogged rivers and streams due to sedimentation.
So what is climate change? Climate change is the usual weather found in a place. This could change how much rain a place usually gets in a year or the usual temperature for a month or season. Climate change can also relate to the Earth's usual temperature. This process can take hundreds or even million years to confirm the alterations.
Greenhouse gases are gases that build up in the Earth's atmosphere which trap heat and warm the climate. This leads to many other changes around the world. They affect the atmosphere, land, and our oceans.
So, the Earth consists of many greenhouse gases. The major ones consist of carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Carbon dioxide consists of fossil fuel, which is the primary source of it. Agricultural activities, waste management, and energy use. Biomass all contribute to methane gases. Agricultural activities such as fertilizer use are the primary use of nitrous oxide emissions.
The rise in sea level would be devastating to coastal lands such as Corpus Christi. Factors such as wetland flooding and overwhelming erosion contribute to this rise. This would contaminate our soil for important crop production, and many homes and businesses would be lost, as well as the habitats of countless animals.
So this is a chart for the 90s that shows a progression of the sea level rise within centimeters. As you can see, it spikes within 2010 and is continuing to due to our pollution that we have caused.
Corpus Christi is a big risk to sea level rise, along with the East Coast mainly consisting of the entire state of Florida. Other countries overseas would be greatly affected too, including Denmark and the United Kingdom. So this picture shows a hypothetical situation of what would happen when or if the sea level continues to rise.
So how would this impact the citizens of Corpus Christi? Well, the economy would crumble and the residents would be forced to relocate, reside elsewhere because the coastline would just not be habitable anymore. Animals and crop life would no longer be able to flourish with a significant decrease in numbers of every organism.
Climate change increases the chance of severe hurricanes because when the water level rises, so does the transfer of heat from the oceans to the air. The storms in which travel across warm seas collect more water vapor and heat, making hurricanes more intense and deadly.
So the impacts would be mostly negative due to the extreme weather patterns, and this would lead to massive amounts of erosion along our coastline due to consistently rising sea level. Crops would be flooded in great volumes, causing the agriculture to completely stop, and the streets would be filled with water. Citizens would not be able to transfer, take to work, or live in a suitable environment.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.